Well, hello and welcome to the Subtac Off-Road Life channel. Today we got a special treat for you. We're going to do SuperAtv suspension parts aftermarket swap out with stock on Razor 1000s. This will not be step by step, so to speak, but if you watch the video, you'll see it all happen basically step by step. And you'll get the commentary of us that are doing it, and I think you'll enjoy it. Also, if you are looking to buy some SuperAtv suspension parts, I have links down below that you can go once you see what we've done in the video. Then you can go down in the links and see what's down there and chase them out and pick them up. So without any further ado, here we go.
Whoever designed this crap was not thinking about replacing nothing.
No.
Damn!
Alright, so what we're doing is swapping everything out. All the running, not all the running gear, but like all the SuperAtv suspension stuff. We're going to take it off this one and put it on this one. And then we're going to take it off this one and put it on that one. Why, you ask? Well, it's a long story, but it's going to happen and you get to watch it. So, here we go. They're all SuperAtv.
Yeah. Radius rods and trailing arms are SuperAtvs.
Alright.
The tender springs is All Things UTV. The A-arms is SuperAtv. And the tie rods is SuperAtvs.
Okay. And all that's going to come off and go over here.
We still have no idea why we're doing this.
Yeah.
I don't.
Yeah.
Save you some money.
Would you say this is a how-to video and a how-not-to video at the same time?
Oh yeah. Everybody should always listen to what we do.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Now you may be asking why there's a blue trailing arm over here and a black trailing arm over here.
Go back to the previous video.
So, cue the video. Oh, you broke the out of it. Yeah, it's broke. You came back and hit that and it just snapped that little.
Oh yeah, you got video of us changing that out too, didn't you?
Upgrade.
Upgrade to blue.
I need a magneto.
You need a what?
A magnet.
You need a magnet?
Yeah.
You dropped something?
Yep, I dropped my nuts down in here. There's one nut. Where's my other nut? Whoop, whoop.
You got two nuts down there.
I did. I sure did.
Now I'm curious. Now this stuff wasn't on there when you did the Muddy Hill deal, is it? Was it? Are you all right? Okay.
Well, that's good because your razor is not.
That's good because you're going to have to walk out of here.
Damn.
Snapped it right off.
These was. And I had a different set of SuperAtv A-arms and I had stock trailing arms.
They were stock trailing arms when you did it. Yeah, okay. Now, when SuperAtv makes these trailing arms like that, do they make different styles, or is it?
They do. They do.
And this one's a particular type?
This is the 1 inch longer trailing arm than stock. Of course, it's a lot beefier too, but
yeah.
They do make a high clearance trailing arm, and I think they make just a standard length trailing arm.
So this one was just a beefier, a little bit longer.
1 inch longer basement.
Is that light helpful?
Yes, very, very helpful.
Damn it.
I'm gonna lose my net again.
Filling all kinds of pieces there.
Junk. It might be a Polaris, but at least it ain't a Can-Am.
Wait a minute now. Well, Subtac rides around on Can-Am.
You got 4, there's a difference.
Well, okay, there's a difference, yeah.
What?
I need that 18mm.
Can't have it. We're going to come up with another one, so we ain't gotta keep swapping.
Well, that's mine to begin with.
You don't have another one?
Yeah, I do got another socket, but be quiet. Don't tell me that.
Twisting that back straight.
Uh-oh.
Junk.
Try the Harbor Freight.
Y'all see this, folks? They are not at Harbor Freight with their little displays. I saw it.
Huh?
I saw it. That's it.
Tyler's reaching for his nuts.
Mm-hmm. I need to shed some light on the subject.
I'll bet that helps. Then you go to the other side and repeat, right?
Yep.
Hi.
How we doing?
How are you? I'm not so sure I want these 1,200 washers on here, Tyler.
You ain't gotta have them unless you get a cage like this one.
I'll worry about that when the time comes.
You're gonna bid your own, right?
That's my plan.
We need 2 things, a welder and a tube bender,
Yes.
right?
Yes. A MIG welder, not an arc welder.
What kind of money are we looking at there?
A lot.
Yeah.
Donald Trump, huge. Not really. Not all that. It's not that bad. We're trying to make video. Trying to make people think we're f***ing idiots.
You should have told me that before we started. Because I could have done a great bit of
Now,
that.
you get it on. You get it honest though, Tyler.
Let's see if this bent one goes in here, eh?
Yeah, we're gonna try it.
See if we can make it work.
That's a damn good idea.
I'm handing the freaking camera. What do you mean?
Well, that's very true.
What do you
Nope.
don't think so?
Nope. She needs to at least be sitting straight up and down, right there.
Here we go, trying to bend the pipe. It's actually bending a little bit, isn't it?
Yep.
I'm about to say something's giving.
Yep. Come on with it. We can do a little more. Alright. Let's not push it.
I was hoping he was going to say stop way for long.
She'll go that far now.
Guys, this is the damn fab shop. What y'all think this was?
I mean, that's,
Yeah, we got her going
that's
here.
straight right there, but
We got her going.
Well,
By golly.
I know we could probably get a little more.
There you go.
Hey,
You made it.
I got it.
I did.
Damn, we done got weight reduction going on already.
I got what?
Weight reduction.
Weight reduction.
So now is this the look you were going for?
Not really.
No?
What?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Heck yeah. Hey, you're one of them guys that puts chrome sockets on those things.
That's what they're made for.
Hey, Kenny, all I'm waiting for over here is you do that hex head bull crap.
It's called a Torx.
Torch head, that bullshit thing.
You have to overlook him. He's from Collinwood.
I'll know my left nut from my right nut.
So we ended up going the full swap. Tires and all. Tires, wheels. All right, well, I do hope that you enjoyed that, and I hope you learned something. This is going to be part one, rear end suspension stuff. Part two is coming in a little while, and that's going to be the front end suspension stuff. We had fun doing it. It was kind of cold that night. I know you heard the propane heater in the background there a little bit. We had to turn it off, but we had others around, so we stayed a little bit warm, but it was still pretty chilly. If you've come this far, I do appreciate you staying and watching, and I hope you learned something. We had fun. And like I said, it wasn't step by step, basically saying this is step one, this is step two, but if you watched, you saw what we did, and you saw how it works. So I appreciate it, and once again, there are links below if you're interested in any of those parts, and it doesn't cost you any extra money to go through those links, but I get a little piece of the action, and I sure do appreciate that, because poor Subtac here has been going for like, what, 2 years now without a razor, this on a four-wheeler. I'm saving back as much as I can so I can get me a new one. And I sure would appreciate it if you go through them links and help me out a little bit. All right, like I said, step two, or part two is coming up next, where we're doing the front end. And let me tell you, when that was all done, that razor could just kind of crawl around on everything, much better clearance. It was great. All right. I will talk to you later. Thank you so much. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. And go to my Instagram and Facebook page, both the same name, Subtac Off-Road Life. Give them likes, follows, all those kind of things. I surely would appreciate it. All right, I'll talk to you all later. Thank you very much.